everyone, welcome you all to BTech Buddies platform. So BTech Buddies is a YouTube platform where you can learn all the technical concepts with real lifetime examples. So in this video we are going to focus mainly on to review a project developed using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so here I will explain you clearly how the project was developed and what are all the programming languages in different cases. I will explain you clearly here. Watch my video from the starting to the end so that you will be getting clear idea how we are going to develop the projects using the web environment programming languages like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so this is the project developed. So this project is nothing but it's a website. So CRT Training Institute in online. Okay, so we are going to provide the online coaching to the students. So in C programming, C++, Java, Python and different programming languages. So for that purpose we have designed a project here. We have developed a website here using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so we have done only the front end programming here. We haven't done the back end. After doing the back end also I will post in YouTube. So for further websites you please follow our channel so that you will be getting clear idea how to develop your websites using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, see here is the front page. So these are all the buttons C, C++, Java, Python. So when you click on the C programming it will be redirected to the videos. All these videos are YouTube videos. When you click on particular video it will be redirected to YouTube where you can play that video and you can learn that concept. So these YouTube videos are also BTech Buddies platform videos. You can learn all the concepts with real lifetime examples. A C program to find leap year or not. Okay, so in this video we are going to explain about the C program to find leap year or not. If you want further videos regarding C programming you can refer to our channel BTech Buddies. Okay, so and if you are the new user to this website you can click on sign up button. When you click on sign up button you will be getting like this name. So let me give you my name. So mail ID. So let me give you my mail ID. So create password. You need to create a password and you need to confirm password. Okay, and we are going to provide the validation using the JavaScript. So JavaScript is used to validate the client side data. So before dispatching the data from the client side environment to server side environment, we are going to validate the data using certain constraints. So like here the password must be maximum 10 or otherwise minimum 5. So like that we need to keep the constraints using the JavaScript. JavaScript is used to validate the content. So before dispatching the data we are going to validate whether the name is correct or not, or otherwise if you have the field to enter the phone number, so the phone number must be only 10 digits, like in such a way. So JavaScript is used to validate the data before dispatching the data from the client side to server side. We are going to validate the data using the JavaScript, and for the event handling also we are going to use the JavaScript. So for example if you click on the submit button, so the data must be dispatched from the client side to server side. So for that purpose we are going to use the JavaScript. So this is about the JavaScript guys. We have used JavaScript also here, but we haven't done with the backend. And you can also sign up with email, you can also sign up with Facebook, and you can also sign up with Twitter. All these ways you can sign up to the website, this website learning.com. And these are all the courses that we are going to provide through our online institute. So C programming, C++, Java, Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, .NET, data science. Okay, so this is the website designed using HTML and CSS and JavaScript. Or otherwise if you are already registered member in learning.com, so this website, so online training institute, so you need to click on login button. So if you are the new user you need to click on sign up, and you need to give the certain details, credentials, and you need to create a password, and using that mail ID and using that password you need to log into the system. So after entering mail ID and password you need to click on the enter button, you need to log in into the system. Okay, so this is how we have designed the website using the HTML and CSS, and we have kept the background image using the CSS, and we have kept the constraints to this mail ID and password using the JavaScript. Okay, so and we have kept the content here in the website using the HTML. So as we have already know, HTML is used to insert the text into the website in different ways, and this color is applied in such a way that using the CSS. Okay, so CSS can be applied in three ways. One is internal, another one is inline, and another one is external. We can apply the CSS to the HTML document in these three ways. Okay, so this is about the sign up page, and we have the sign up option and login option. These two can be designed using HTML and CSS and JavaScript, and these are all the courses that we are going to provide through our website, online training website. And also when you click on the Java programming, so let me keep, So I haven't kept the Java programming tutorials, I haven't provided the link here. So let me click on the C++ programming. So when you click on the C++ programming, you will be getting like this. Okay, so here also you will be displayed with sign up and login. Still you can sign up, or otherwise still you can log in into the website. And these are all the courses. And when you click on this C++ introduction, so it will be redirected to the YouTube, to our platform, where you can view the video clearly and you can learn the concepts with real lifetime examples. So like in this way. Okay, so this is the website, online training website, guys. And let me show you clearly. So all these are designed using HTML and CSS. You can insert the images into the website using the HTML, and you can set the margin, that I mean height and width, using the CSS cascading style sheet. And first start learning with C programming. You need to click on the C language here to redirect to the C programming website. Yeah, so these are all the C programming videos. When you click on the particular concept, it will be redirected to our YouTube platform. Okay, so let me move on to the back and explain you clearly about the website. So all these are designed using the HTML and CSS only. So when you learn the HTML and CSS, you can design your own websites and you can develop the projects. And if you click on the start learning, it will redirect you to the one more web page which is designed by our team using the HTML and CSS and JavaScript. So for coaching purpose, you need to click on here, which will redirect you to the WhatsApp, and you can chat with our team using the WhatsApp application. Okay, and also we will provide you the free demo classes for programming, web development and all, which is scrolling here. Using marquee tag in HTML, you can design like this. And C programming, C++ programming, Python programming, data structures, all these courses we are going to provide through online to the students. Our website is going to provide. Okay, our team is going to provide all these classes, and all these are developed using the HTML and CSS only, guys. Okay, so this is how we have designed our website and developed and maintained by Vengal Rao. And this is my mail ID. If you have any queries, you can contact me through the mail ID. And if you want further videos regarding web development projects and how to develop the projects and what are the programming languages used in web developing projects, you can contact us and you can connect with us through the subscription in my YouTube channel. And these are all the, if you click on mail ID, you can contact with our mail. And if you click on Facebook, and you will be redirected to Facebook, where you can connect with us BTech Buddies team in Facebook and also in Instagram and also in YouTube. And when you click on the WhatsApp icon, you will be redirected to WhatsApp. You can also contact us through the WhatsApp. So this is how we are going to develop a web environment projects using HTML and CSS and JavaScript. So if you want to connect with the backend, you need to learn a PHP and MySQL. So where you can learn three-tier architecture. So this is only the front-end development web project. So online training institute. So we can say learning.com. This is the website where we are going to provide the online courses to the students, C, C++, Java, Python and all. So you can design like this type of websites using the HTML, CSS, JavaScript. If you want to connect with the backend, you need to learn so PHP and MySQL. If you want to apply more design to the website, add more beauty to the website, you can learn Bootstrap, where you will be having compiled CSS and JavaScript source files. You can apply easily to them and you can design responsive websites. Okay, so please follow our channel so that you will be getting different type of web environment projects, and I will explain you how we have developed them. And I will also post the code regarding them in the coming videos. Okay, so follow us through the subscription. Keep rocking.